So in today's class, we will do the worksheet number 1 for class 2. So everybody open that worksheet from the course material. It's available there in the course material. Once you open the worksheet, then we will start. Those students who join the class right now, they may open the worksheet from the course material and we will start doing that worksheet. Okay, so let's see what is the first question of the worksheet. The first question of the worksheet is a word processing program. A word processing program is used to type, used to edit, used to format, or used to do all of the things. So, what do you think? So, what do you think? What is the answer? Answer is A, B, C, or D. Yes, Sheriff, there is a worksheet. You just have to open that worksheet. Okay. So, my question is in the word processing software, in the word processing software or the word processing program, why we use it? We use it for typing, for editing, for formatting, or all of these. All of these for typing, edit, and format. So, what do you think? Option A, B, C, or D? What is your answer? You can send the answer in the chat like A, B, C, or D. What's your answer? Okay. So let me give you the answer. This is a question taken from, oh, yes, okay, okay. Yes, you guys are right. The point is, all of them means all three things. All of them, option, all of them means all three things. Okay. Ayan, Amal, okay, that's good. Till now, these two students give the correct answer in the chat. Typing, we type the word. Edit means we can change the word, change the spelling. If there is a mistake, we can change it. And we can make different styles of font and we can format them. So, what do you think? Can we do all these things? If we do all these things, so the option will be all of them. But if you think all of them are not there, you can select any one of it. Okay, so let's see. Ayan, Amal, who else is there? Ammar, Adam, Saud. Till now, all these students give the correct answer. The correct answer is the option D. Yes, Asar, you are right. Option D, all of them. Because in word processing software, we use we use typing, we use it for editing, we use it for format. And so all these options are lie in all of them. So the answer is D. It's all of them. The answer is D. All of them. So let me make it prominent. The answer for the question number one is D. It's all of them. Okay. So now let's move towards the next question. What does next question is saying? The next question is coming on the screen. The next number question, question number two, is saying that we create dash in word processing software. We create dash. What do we make? Create means make. What do we make in word processing software? We make document, we make songs, we make videos. What do you think? What do we make in word processing software? Okay, Sharif, that's good. Nusaiba, Mohammad Farooq, Saud, Rafiq, Adam, Asr, that's good. All these students send the answer for this question in the chat right now. Okay, Nusaiba Amin. Kindly check your answer. We can make or create dash in word processing software. We make document, we make song, we make videos. Okay, so Ayan, that's good. Everybody should join the class with their original name, please. Some students are sending the answer, but their name are not their names. Kindly rename your name and write your original name so that I can call your name. Some students' name showing that it's a female name. Some names of the students are showing the female names. Kindly rename your original name so that I can call your name in the class that you gave the correct answer. Okay, so that's good. We have Ammar, Sharif, Saud, and so many students give the correct answer. That's good. So the right answer for the question number two is document. The right answer for the question number two is document. Yes, Abdul Aziz Mohammed, you are right. You are exactly right. Okay. So very well done to all those who give the answer. So question number two, answer is document. Question number two, answer is document. Now moving towards the question number three. What does question number three is telling us? The question number three is coming on the screen. Question number three is saying that the words that we type and enter, the words that we type and enter are called dash. The words that we type the words from where? From keyboard, and we enter those words. So those words are called what? Those words are called letters. Those words are called alphabets, or those words are called text. So what do you think? Till now, Adam, Umar Hassan, Umar Shahir, Adam, Saud, Mohammad Asad, Rafiq, Hamidul Harbi, Sharif, Adam, Mohammad Farooq, and Ilyas. Till now, these students sent the correct answer. That's good. What about the others? The words that we type and enter are called letters, alphabet, or text. Very good, Suleiman Saleh. Good, Asr. That's great. Okay, so that's good. The answer for this one is C. Let me tell you one thing. For example, I am writing a word A, B. It's not a word, these are letters, these are alphabets. But if I am writing a word, it's a car. The word is made up of alphabets. The words are made up of alphabets. So, word and alphabet are two different things. Word and alphabets are two different things. So, the words that we type and enter are called letters? No. Are called alphabets? No. They are called text. Okay. So, all the students who send the answer, the name which I take for the students who send the answer, send the correct answer. Very good, Ayan. You also send the correct answer. It's a C, the text. Option number C. The answer for the question number 3 is option C. It's text. So, answer for the question number 1 is option D. Answer for the question number 2, option A. Answer for the question number 3 is C. It's text. Now we are moving towards the next question. The question number 4. What does question number 4 is telling us? Question number 4 is telling us that Microsoft Word is example of dash software. Microsoft Word is example of dash software. So Microsoft Word is a drawing software. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. Microsoft Word is a printing software. So what do you think? A, B, or C? Okay, very good, Mohammad Asad, Adam Khalid, Mohammad Farooq. That's good. Abdul Aziz Mohammed, Rafiq Samar, Ayan, Umar Hassan. All these guys pick up the words very well. That's great. So, Microsoft Word is an example of dash software. We know the word software and program are the same in the computer. So we can say word processing software, word processing program, both are same. So what do you think? The drawing is this is a drawing software or a word processing software or a printing software. So Umar Shahir, Ilyas, Saud and Sharif also give the correct answers. Hamidu Al Harbi, that's good. So basically, basically the Microsoft Word is an example of a word processing software. It's a word processing software. It's a word processing software. Okay, it's not only the printing one. We can print the things in word processing, but there are so many other things also. So it's a word processing software. Option B for the question 4. The answer is option B, word processing software. Now, moving towards the question number 5. The question number 5 is on the screen. The question number 5 is saying that all the options of word processing software are contained by, or in which thing we have all the options, in quick access toolbar or in ribbon. We see where is the ribbon. If you see at the top, I'm just giving you the hint. If you see at the top on this box, so you will find it out that all the options of the word processing software, all the options of word processing software contained by quick access toolbar or by ribbon. What do you think? Very good, Sharif. Ilyas, good. Adam, very nice. So, Sharif, Ilyas, Adam, Hamidu Al Harbi. Okay, that's great. So, where do we have all the options of Microsoft Word? Where do we have all the options of Microsoft Word? Okay, so Saud, that's good. Mohammad Farooq, Asr, Ayan, all these guys send the correct answer in the chat. Okay, that's good. You guys sent the right answer. Anybody else? Waiting for the others so that everybody would give the answer for this one. It's an easy one, huh? Suleiman Saleh, Omar Hassan. That's good. Okay. So the correct answer is ribbon. The correct answer is ribbon. The option B. Okay, the ribbon is the correct answer for the option for the question 5. The ribbon is the correct answer for the question 5. Ribbon contains all the thing. Ribbon contains all the thing, all the options of a Microsoft Word. If you see the software which I am using right now is a Microsoft Word. If you see at the top of this, we have a ribbon. This is a ribbon. That red color box is showing a ribbon. So see, all the options are in it. All the options are in that ribbon. Okay. So we are moving towards the next one. The next question is question number 6. What does question number 6 is saying? The question number 6 is now displaying on the screen. The question number 6 is telling us that WordPad is also used for WordPad. WordPad is also used for drawing, typing, or listening songs. What do you think? It's very easy, huh? So it's A, B, or C. Very good, Rafiq. Mohammad Farooq. Ayan, Hamidu Al-Harbi. That's good. So, WordPad is also used for drawing, typing, or listening songs. Adam, Abdulaziz Mohammed, Sharif, and Saud also give the correct answer. Till now, okay, Ilyas, Omar Hassan, Abdulaziz Mohammed, Adam Khalid. That's great. So 12 students till now send the answer. Very well done. Suleiman Soleh, kindly check your answer, please. Okay, that's good. Abdul Rahim. Abdul Rahim, that's great, Abdul Rahim. Now, okay, the correct answer for this question is the typing. WordPad is also used for typing. The software in which we type, those software are called word processing software. Those software are called word processing software. So in WordPad we can also type. So the right answer is typing. Option B for the question number 6. So now we are moving towards the next one. What is the next question is? The next question is question number 7. The question number 7 is on the screen. What does question number 7 is telling us? Question number 7 is telling us that the letter I am writing, the letter I am writing, or the letter you can write, that letter is what? That letter is a picture, that letter is a document, that letter is a video. What do you think? For example, right now you see my screen. You see my screen, I open the Microsoft Word. So, the page you are seeing or the worksheet we are solving is a picture or a document or a video. What do you think? Very good. Mohammad Farooq and Sharif. You picked the correct answer. Very well done. Hamidu Al-Arbi, Ilyas. Excellent. Excellent, guys. You guys pick up the hints very well. That's great. Asr, Umar Hassan. That's good. Oh, someone explains the things. Very good, Saud. Saud explains his answer. Very well done. That's great. Adam Khalid. So, the letter I am writing. For example, someone is writing a letter. I am writing a worksheet. So, that writing a worksheet is a picture, is a document, or a video. Right now, I am typing the words on it. I am typing the word on it. So, it's a document. It's a document. The letter I am writing is a document. The file I am writing right now on it, see, I can change the spelling of document. Like I write two times document there. So this is a document, that's why I can change it. I write document two times because it's the same document. For me, it's not a picture, it's not a video, it's a document. So the right answer is document. Yes, Adam, you are exactly 100% right. So it's a document. Yes, South. Letter, story, whatever we are typing. We type anything on Microsoft Word, that thing is called a document. You type one line, you type 10 lines, you type one paragraph, you type your name, you type your friend's name, you type your phone numbers, whatever you will type, all of them considered as a letter. Yes, Amgad, you are right. Amgad Mohammed also give the correct answer. That's good, Amgad. So, now the answer for the question number 7 is document. The question number 8 is on the screen. Question number 8 is telling us that in ribbon, some groups have dash. Some groups have an dash that we click on. So it means that there is something for every group in ribbon. Some group have an dash that we click on to see more commands. Where do we see the more commands? If you see my arrow, I make the arrow there. I make a red arrow. If you see my arrows, you will find it out the what is the answer. If you see my red arrows, so you will find it out that what will be the answer. In ribbon, some groups have dash, arrow, lines, or slash. By the way, slash is like this. This is slash. This line is called slash. All both of these lines are called as the slash. And this is simple. Line is like this. Okay. And arrow is like this. So we have arrow, line, or slash. In ribbon, what do we have? Very good, Sharif. Muhammad Asad, Saud, Adam, Hamidu Al Harbi, Ilyas, Asr. That's good. If you see my red arrow, if you guys see my red arrow, see that red arrow pointing towards which thing? These three red arrows pointing towards which thing? If you see that thing, I put the circle on that thing. You will find out the answer. You will find out the answer. I put the circle on that thing. Did you see the answer? Yes, Os, you are right. So, at the corner of every group, at the corner of not every group, but most of the group. Where is the group, by the way? The group is showing. The group is showing here. See clipboard. See font. See paragraph. So, many groups have dash at the corner. So they have arrow at the corner. They have arrow. Some groups have an arrow that we click on to see more commands. When we click on it, we will see more command. Okay, Abdul Rahim. Very good, Abdul Rahim. So let me clear the screen. So the right answer is arrow. The right answer is arrow because at the corner of any group, we have arrow. If you see this, let me show you the circle. If you see this, I make a red circle on the screen. That red circle is showing the arrow. Yes, Sharif, you are right. So, very good, Ayan. And who is this? Okay, that's good, Ahmad Yusuf. So, the right answer is arrow. The right answer is arrow. Now, we are moving towards the next one. What is the next question? The next question is showing on the screen. The next question is telling us that instruction that tell the computer how to do something. It means that that instruction is a command, that instruction is a game, that instruction is a movie. What do we think? Instruction means order. Which thing is equals to instruction? When we say movie, it means instruction. When we say game, it means instruction. When we say command, it means instruction. What do you think? Instruction is basically the order that tells the computer how to do something. So, what would be the answer? Command, game, or movie? That's good. Hamid Al Harbi, Adam, Mohammad Farooq, Saud, Ayan. Very good. So you guys pick up the hint. Very well done. Very good, Rafiq. Very good, Ammar. Suleiman Al Suhaibari. Suhaibani. Excellent. Excellent, Adam Khalid. Okay, Saud. Yes, Saud, it's very easy. That's good. Because you guys are intelligent. That's why it's look easy to you. Okay, you guys are intelligent. You are doing the questions very well. Umar Hassan, excellent. Abdul Rahim and Asr. Very good. You guys pick it up. For example, if I ask you, what is the another word for the instruction? The answer would be the same. The answer is command. The answer is command. Another word for instruction is command. Instruction means that tell computer how to do something. Instruction is order. Instruction is command. Command is order or command is instruction. All three words are same. Abdul Aziz Muhammad, Ali Nizar, Suleiman Saleh, Asr, all these guys also sent the correct answer. That's great. So the right answer for the question number 9 is command. So let's move to the next one. Question number 7 answer is document. Question number 8 answer is arrow. Question number 9 answer is command. So question number 10 is on the screen. The question number 10 is telling us about home, insert, page layout are names of dash. Where are these options? If you see, let me show you with the arrow. See this one. This is a home tab. This is a home. This is a insert. And this is a page layout button. What do we call it? We call it a books. So these are the names. We know these are names. Home, insert, page layout. These are names. But what are they? They are books, they are options, or they are tabs. What do we call it? Okay. Mohammad Farooq, you are right. That's great. Hamidu Al Harbi, you are also right. Sharif Ahmed, you are exactly right. So till now, only three students give the correct answer. It's Sharif, Hamidu Al Harbi, and we have Mohammad Farooq. Very good, Rafiq. Rafiq and Adam Khalid both give the correct answers. So Abdul Aziz Muhammad, Saud, sorry, Abdul Aziz Muhammad, Adam Khalid, Rafiq Samar. Okay, that's good. That's good. Sheriff explains his answer. Very well done, Sheriff. Excellent, Sheriff. So, the right answer is tabs. These are tabs. These are tabs. Page layout, insert, home, references, mailing, review. There are so many tabs. Those buttons on the top of the ribbon are called tabs. Yes, yes, Ahmed Yusuf, you are exactly 100% right. Okay. So, the right answer is tabs. Okay. So, question number 11. We are moving towards the question number 11. What does question number 11 is saying to us? Question number 11 is telling us that to exit the document, we have to click on dash in file tab. We have to click on which option on the file tab? Where is the file tab? At the corner, there is a blue color button. That button is a file button, but it is called as the file tab. So now, if you want to exit the document, we have to click on dash in file tab. We have to click on save. We have to click on save as, or we have to click on exit. So let me show you the option. If we click on file, see, I click on the file. On the file, there are some options given. Where are some options? Here are these: save, save as, open, close, info, recent, new, print, and some more options are there. Some more options are there. So, what do you think? The option is very good. That's good. Mohammad Farooq, Asr, Saud, Os, Sharif Ahmed, Hamidu Al Harbi. Abdul Aziz Mohammed, Rafiq, Adam Khalid, Ali Nizar, Ayan, and Ilyas. Yes, you guys are 100% right. You all give the correct answer. It's a exit. It's a exit. So when we click on exit, we close document. Our file get closed. Now the next question. Moving towards the next question, the question number 12. A dash is a set of characters displayed in a special size or shape. So, what is a set of characters displayed in a special size or shape? So, a font is a set of character, a picture is a set of character, or a shape is a set of characters. What do you think? Option A, B, or C? Font, picture, or shape? Okay, so that's good. It's Ilyas, Ali Nizar, Ayan, Umar Hassan. Till now, all these guys sent the correct answer. So, which thing? If you see, we are talking about the characters. In picture, there is no character because it's just a picture. And in character, we doesn't have any shape. So only one option is left. The answer is easy. Mohammad Saeed, good. Umar Hassan, Mohammad Farooq. Okay. So you guys guessed it correct. The right answer is font. The right answer is font. So font is the right answer for question 12. So right now, there is an assignment waiting for you in the class light. Everybody open that assignment, and the time of the period is finished right now. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. So everybody open that assignment and do the assignment. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.
Bye, bye, Chef. Bye, bye,
We'll
Chef.
continue that.
Bye, bye.
Continue that.
Bye, bye,
We'll meet in the
Chef.
next class also. Okay. So bye everyone.